It all rests on Romeo. Here comes a pinch, and strike! Oh boy, Zip, your stomach is a more energetic batter than you.
Now let's see if we can get this straight. Wanda's gonna know that I dig her a lot, and that'll really mess things up.
And if your buddies find out, your reputation has about as bright a future as Pewie's boxers.
Here I am having a little snack just so my tummy doesn't rumble. Want some?
Sure, man, that'd be great.
A grape? No, it's in a sandwich.
Perfect! And with a full tummy, goodbye rumbling!
We better try it out first, Zap, just in case.
What suitcase? What grape? I'm getting out of here in case it's contagious.
I'm stuffed. I couldn't even eat a peanut.
Okay, Jose. Now we have to test and see if our plan is gonna work, and this is the perfect place.
What's our tactics?
Objective in view. Listen up. I'll cover you down the center, and you attack from the side. I'll make her turn around, and before she can even blink, you give her a big smack on the lips.
What if my stomach starts to rumble?
Then you failed the test. Excuse me, miss. You see, my mom sent me to buy a glacier, and I can't seem to find the frozen foods aisle. Could you help me?
What? Hey, what on earth are you taking me for?
I was gonna tell you, bro, but you really went for it.
Stop right there! The thing is, my stomach didn't rumble.
And you didn't even have the slightest idea that the objective had more whiskers than a walrus.
Watch out, Juliet. Here comes your Romeo. Oh, just watch. I'm gonna make a fool of myself.
Is this the same set who put super glue on Mr. Minervo's toilet seat, broke the all-time cheat sheet record, and got busted 57 times in the same day? Huh?
That was a piece of cake.
Ready, boys? Then let's go. Curtain.